You probably use Microsoft Windows every day, but how much do you really know about what's going on behind that familiar screen? It turns out, Windows is packed with bizarre secrets, hidden stories, and fun facts that most people have never heard. Get ready, because we're about to pull back the curtain on the world's most popular operating system. First off, did you know that Windows wasn't even supposed to be called Windows? Originally, Microsoft was developing it under the codename Interface Manager. The plan was to release it as a simple add-on for their existing MS-DOS system. It wasn't the powerful, standalone operating system we know today. The name Windows was a last-minute marketing decision because it sounded simple, visual, and easy for people to remember. And boy, did that choice pay off. Even the core concept of Windows wasn't quite there in the beginning. The very first version, Windows 1.0, didn't allow windows to overlap. Instead, they tiled next to each other like panels on a wall. It looked more like a digital filing cabinet than the dynamic desktop we're used to. It's funny to think how far we've come from that simple tiled interface. Now let's talk about something every computer user dreads, the blue screen of death. That infamous, terrifying blue screen has a surprisingly noble origin. It was designed as a last resort safety feature. When Windows detects a catastrophic error that could corrupt your data or damage your hardware, it triggers the blue screen to halt everything instantly. It's like an emergency brake for your computer. Over the years, it became a symbol of frustration, but its real purpose was to protect you from something much, much worse. Beyond the big scary stuff, Windows is filled with hidden tricks that can make you feel like a tech wizard. For example, have you ever tried the arrow shake feature? If you have a bunch of windows open, just grab the top bar of the one you want to keep. Give it a quick shake, and all the other windows will instantly minimize. Shake it again, and they all come back. It's a super fast way to clear the clutter. There are also tons of keyboard shortcuts, like pressing the Windows key plus L to instantly lock your computer, or Ctrl-Shift-Escape to jump straight to the task manager. Ever wondered if your computer has secret rooms? Well, it does. Windows has hidden folders that are invisible by default. These folders, like System32 or App Data, contain critical system files. They're hidden for a very good reason. Messing with them could completely break your operating system. Most users go their entire lives without ever needing to see what's inside, and that's exactly how Microsoft wants it. The sounds of Windows aren't just random beeps and chimes either. The iconic startup sounds were composed by professional musicians. The famous sound for Windows 95 was created by the legendary composer Brian Eno. He was asked to make a sound that was inspiring, universal, optimistic, and futuristic. And he did it all on a computer that was far less powerful than the smartphone in your pocket right now. These sounds were engineered to make you feel calm and productive the moment you turn on your machine. And what about a little fun? For years, Microsoft developers have hidden Easter eggs inside Windows. Early versions had secret credits, hidden minigames, and even a list of volcanoes. One of the most famous was a flight simulator hidden inside, Excel 97. While many of these have been removed for security reasons, the tradition of developers leaving little jokes and hidden messages continues. Some error messages and internal code names contain inside jokes that only the engineers would understand, giving the software a subtle sense of humor. Even after all these years and countless updates, modern versions of Windows still carry pieces of their long history. There's code buried deep inside Windows 11 that dates back decades, a digital fossil from a much earlier era of computing. So, the next time you boot up your computer, remember that you're not just using a piece of software. You're interacting with a living piece of digital history, a story that's been evolving for over 30 years, quietly running on billions of screens around the world. If you enjoy diving into these hidden secrets of Windows, do me a favor and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more untold stories from the world of tech, and share this video with a friend who might get a kick out of these fun facts. Thanks for watching.